It cleans for an hour but misses that one crumb. The reason is mathematical. Different vacuums use different mathematical strategies with very different results. With random movement, hitting every spot is a game of chance. Some spots get lucky, others never do. Finding the shortest path to hit every spot is a famously hard math problem. For a vacuum, it's nearly impossible. Smarter models break the room into zones, clean each perfectly, and then solve the simpler problem of connecting them. So, what spot does your vacuum always skip? Tell me in the comments.